Today, we are going to dive into the delicious world of Nuer cuisine. If you ever wondered what traditional Nuer food look like, then stick around because I'm about to explore 5 mouth-watering dishes that are staple in Nuer household. Let's get started. Number 1. Cook, a boiled flour dish with fish sauce. The ingredients are sorghum or maize flour, fish, water, salt, and oil. When you want to prepare cook, the flour is mixed with water and kneaded into a soft dough. The dough is shaped into a small ball and boiled in water until cooked. A fish sauce is prepared separately by frying or boiling fish with spices and oil. The dish is served by dipping the flour ball into the fish sauce. What? What is also a type of Nuer traditional food. What is also boiled flour dish and milk sauce. The ingredients are sorghum or maize flour, fresh milk, water, and salt. Preparation. The flour is prepared into small balls, similar to coffee. And instead of fish sauce, fresh milk is boiled and slightly thickened to serve as the sauce. The dish is served with the milk sauce for a rich and creamy taste. Third traditional food is kwendak. Kwendak or milk and stew porridge. The ingredients are milk, meat or beef or goat, sorghum, flour, water, and salt. The preparation are: meat is boiled with salt and spice to create a flavorful stew. Sorghum flour is mixed with milk and cooked to form a thick porridge. The stew is poured over the porridge for a balanced meal. Number 4. Nuer traditional food, madide, milk-based dish. The ingredients are fresh milk, butter, and sorghum flour. The preparation are: the milk is warm and mixed with butter. Sorghum flour is added slowly while stirring to form a thick, smooth dish. It is traditionally eaten as a nutritious and energy-boosting meal.